Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, March the 21st. Sorry for being away on Friday. Had business to attend to. Nonetheless, lots going on over the weekend, including nuclear problems on the downside in Japan, but 110 Tomahawk missiles lobbed into Libya on the other side. And what would you know? Markets are up. Gold is up. You almost can't stop this. I'm not sure how much I agree with it, but I'm not going to fight the tape. I got 4 great press releases for you. Let's start first with Timberline Resources, trades on the Venture and the TBR, and the Amex on the TLR. They announced their initial 43101 compliant gold resource. This at their Lookout Mountain Gold Project at the Battle Mountain Eureka Trend of central Nevada. Looks at 286,000 ounces of gold in the measured and indicated, 206,000 ounces in the inferred. The resource comprises approximately 80% oxide and 20% sulfide material. The company is primarily focused on the gold fields in Nevada. They also have, in addition to this project, a 50% carry to production interest in its Butte Highlands joint venture, where gold production is slated to commence early in 2012. Gotta like that for the upside. Closed on Friday, 97 cents. 66 on the low, $1.45 on the 52-week high, so trading a little lower than the mid-range. Market cap about $54 million. Congratulations to Randy Hardy and his team over there in getting this out, and I presume we're going to see more of this in the future. Next up, our good friends over at Barkerville Gold Mines, Frank Callahan and Spiros and the gang over there. Looks like first diamond drilling assay at their new discovery on Barkerville Mountain has hit 2 intercepts of gold, including 12.1 grams ton of gold over 14 meters. Nice numbers there. Barkerville trades on the Venture under BGM, and for our friends in Germany, IWB. These holes are 93 meters away from the company's Bonanza ledge deposit. That's pretty close. But the company says, despite the proximity, it's a completely different style of gold mineralization than the Bonanza ledge. Highlight numbers here. Within that headline number, they also had 6.3 meters of 25.4 grams ton of gold. They also had 0.91 meters of 11.5 grams ton of gold. So nice numbers there. The company, a little bit about them. Since the mid-90s, they've been focused on the Caribou Mining District in central British Columbia, which encompasses 7, their properties now over there encompass 7 past-producing hard rock mines, 3 43101 gold deposits, including the QR mine and mill. That property was acquired in February 2010. It includes a 900 ton per day gold milling facility and a permitted gold mine about 110 kilometers away by highway and all-weather road from the Barkerville Gold Camp. Closed on Friday, $1.28. It's been under some selling pressure as of late. Not sure, maybe there's some outstanding warrants or something there going on. 61 cents on the low, $1.70 on the high. Pretty much dead smack in the middle, a little higher than the midway trading range, their 52-week trading range. But good news out of them. Congratulations to Frank Callahan, Dean Nawada, and Spiros Kletas over there. Next up, Endeavour Mining, EDV on the stock exchange. They report net income of $9.6 million for the 6 months ended December 31st. Gold production for the 12 months ended December 31st, 82,400 ounces. Cost of $613 per ounce. They got cash and marketable securities, about $204 million, and they're debt-free. Some other highlights. Gold production, this for the 6-month period, 44,400 ounces. That's up 15%. Gold sales, 47,366 ounces. That's up 30%. And I like this, actually. Total cash cost, $622 per gold ounce. That sounds high, but it's down 17% from $750. And that gives you an idea of the kind of projects that are coming online. This would not have been possible a few years ago. With gold sitting over $1,435 today, this is highly economical. Cash flow from mining operations in this 6-month, $22 million. Closed on Friday, $251, $313 on the high, $1.34 on the low. And finally, not all that glitters is gold. Great news out of a company called Blonder Tongue. Trades on the Amex under BDR. They put out their 4th quarter and year-end numbers. Here are the highlights. Revenue, $30.5 million versus $29 million last year, so a nice gain there. Earnings looks like $1.785 million, or about 29, let's call it 30 cents per basic share. That compared to a loss of $33,000 and 1 cent per share. So great improvement to the bottom line. That's why I'm talking about this. They attribute most of this to an increase in sales of digital video head-end products. If you don't know about this company, they provide system operators and integrators serving the cable, broadcast, internet, phone, TV, that whole industry with content contribution, distribution, and video delivery to home and business. So they are the guys who help facilitate delivering the video content and other kinds of content. I think this is going to be a huge industry going forward. It's only going to get bigger and bigger. So what I like about the company here is they reported, let's call it 30 cents per share, closed at $1.95. On Friday. So you're buying a company making significant bottom line increases at about 6 times earnings, just a little over 6 times earnings. You got to like that. And market cap looks at about $12 million. So very high risk reward scenario for you, for people out there who love technology. I love technology. 52-week range, 284 on the high, $1 on the low. So it's really dead smack in the middle of the 52-week trading range. Blonder tongue, MX, BDR. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you're watching this on Globe Investor right now, then look below me or to the left of me to discover the other great resource companies we've covered over the past few days. If you're not on AGORACOM, get there, get to the front page, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines coming out of the entire industry around the front page, and get into our directory to discover your next great small cap company. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.